Problem 5 on the page 60. Circle the decimal fractions from the following fractions. So we will do first the clear ones. Here we have 90 over 100. Yes, it's a power of 10, so it's a decimal fraction. Here we have the factors that give us the powers of 10 in order to know if this fraction is decimal or not. So we look at the denominator. If it's power of 10 or could be written as power of 10, so it's a decimal fraction. So 90 over 100, yes, it's a decimal fraction. 6 over 4 could be multiplied by 24 to give us 100, so yes, it's a decimal fraction. 2 over 6, we shall do it later. 5 over 8, here we have 8 times 125 gives us 1000, so 5 over 8, yes, it's a decimal fraction. Do it later. 6 over 25, 25 is multiplied by 4 or 250, so yes, it's a decimal fraction. Here is delayed, and then so let's check one by one. Here we have 20 over 28. 20 over 28, we have to reduce or simplify. We divide by 4, so it's 5 over 7. 7 could not be written as power of 10, so it's not a decimal fraction. 2 over 3, here we have 2 over 6. So 2 over 6, we could divide by 2, it's 1 over 3. 3 could not be written as power of 10, so 2 over 6, it's not a decimal fraction. 11 over 3, so 11 over 3, we could not reduce this fraction or simplify this fraction. 3 could not be written as power of 10, so it's not a decimal fraction. Here we have 45 over 36. We could divide by 9 both terms, and then 45 divided by 9 is 5. 36 divided by 9 is 4. Here we have 4. So 4 could be multiplied by 25 to give 100. So yes, it's a decimal fraction. 5 over 24. So 5 over 24, there is no common divisor for 5 and 24. And 24 could not be multiplied by another factor to give us a power of 10. So it's not a decimal fraction. 24 over 75, we could divide by 3. 8 over 25, yes, 25. Here we have 25 multiplied by 40 or by 4 to give us 1000 or 100. So yes, it is a decimal fraction. So these fractions are the decimal fractions, and the crossed ones are not decimal fractions. And we said earlier that for decimal fractions the quotient is exact, and the non-decimal fractions the quotient is not exact. Let's see here. 20 divided by 28, 90 divided by 100, 6 divided by 4, and we have the quotient. Look at the quotient and notice that if it's circled here, so it's a decimal fraction, and we notice that the quotient is exact. We have 0.9, 1.5, 0. Or 625 thousandth, 24 hundredth, 2 tenth, and 32 hundredth. On the other hand, the crossed fractions here, the quotient is not exact.